We didn't want to make just another lunchbox. The world has enough lunchboxes, and they all share the same problem.
Packing your own lunch can be tedious. Cleaning and packing your lunchbox in between each use, for everyone, every day.
That's why we set out to make the world's most convenient lunchbox. But I think we created something better.
Introducing memobento, a lunchbox system designed to take the pain out of packing lunch. With memobento, the daily ritual of packing and cleaning your lunchbox in between every use will be a thing of the past. Featuring a removable silicone inner container, the memobento allows you to reset your lunchbox in seconds. Simply swap today's lunch for tomorrow's and you're good to go. Your used containers can go straight into the dishwasher or can be cleaned later at your convenience. The real magic happens when you prepare your lunches ahead of time. Get your meals set up on Sunday and eat your way effortlessly through the week. For families or anyone who likes to meal prep, this is a game changer, as your lunches will practically pack themselves. Put simply, packing lunch will be a chore no more. Whatever your commute looks like, memobento will transport your lunch safely, with confidence and peace of mind. The triple wall insulation and leak resistance will take your lunch from the fridge or freezer straight to your bag without fear of condensation or spills. Prefer your food piping hot? Or want to get creative? Memobento containers are microwave and oven safe. And the memobento's base is designed to insulate your hot lunch as you carry it to your table. The memobento comes in 2 flavors. Choose from memobento, with added leak resistance and a robust stainless steel construction, or memobento light, which features an ultra-lightweight, translucent plastic shell. To keep lunchtime interesting, memobento's inner containers are available in a variety of colors and bento configurations.
10 years ago, we launched our first product, the memobottle, because we realised that even small inconveniences, for example, your bottle not fitting in your bag, can make us turn to single-use option. From meal prep all the way to clean-up, we're excited to remove some of the daily hurdles involved with carrying food and feeding your family.